And there we go. So we have created all my exact campaigns based on the market dominator that I have right here. So I've created about close to 17 different campaigns, all the way down to keyword number 83. Alright, so this is my initial start of highly relevant exact match keywords based on the SVS score. So what we have done so far, we have created our auto campaigns, we have created our exact campaigns. So now let's talk about the async targeting campaign, or more commonly known as product targeting. Okay, so let's get to this. So to start off, I would like to create a new portfolio. So this will be called egg, pen, and PT, product targeting. So it's just async. Create a portfolio. And once I'm inside here, I can create my campaigns. So I just create a new campaign. Still be using sponsored products. So this will be one egg pen dash PT dash, and because I'm going to be using my market dominator, so I'm using MD125. So this signifies market dominator competitor 1 to 5. Alright, so this is what it means. I add this here. I'm going to copy the add group, make it similar to the campaign name, doesn't really matter. Budget of $20 per day. Over here, manual targeting. So keyword, now I'm going product targeting. Okay, product targeting is for the individual products that we have here, and I'm going to enter a list. Now, Amazon recently added this, expanded, was automatic check. I do not know why, but I would like to uncheck that and just go for exact only, just that async that we have identified as the top 10. So what are those asyncs? We have already identified in our market dominator. These are the top 10 asyncs, right? So I'm just going to fight with them with this. Just copy down the asyncs one by one. So do remember, same rule applies. You do not want to have more than 5 keywords, or in this case 5 asyncs in a single campaign. We're just targeting a maximum of 5 right here. Okay, so these are the suggested bid. Later on, we will get out and increase the suggested bid up by 20%. So the suggested bid for our starting bid. And everything looks good. Okay, we are ready to launch our very first product targeting campaign in a portfolio PT. Let's go. So this is my first PT campaign. I'm going to create another one that targets the remaining 5 competitors here. So under PT, create another campaign. So I'm just going through the same thing again. This time around is number 2. This will be MD, market dominator, 6 to 10. Add this async in. Bids down only. Campaign name, $20. Manual targeting, product targeting. Individual products, enter the list. Exact, I don't want expanded. Expanded is like, automatic campaign, but except related to this product here. Right, so you can get very, very skewed, which is not what we want. Okay, target. And I love PT campaigns because comparatively, if you look at the bids here, it's a lot lower than keyword bids, right? So these are something that you want to take advantage of right from the start when you launch a product. And I think all is good. Let's launch this campaign. Okay, and that's pretty much all for product targeting campaign. You have already launched and targeted the top 10 competitor on this market. If you want to go further, you can target the top 20 competitors, right? So that's something that you can do as a start as well. So we will not stop you from doing that, right? And that's really all, right? We have done this, we have done this, and we have done this. So when we launch, for the first 7 days, I would leave them there and let the data come in, and we optimize it from then on. Okay, so that's really all you need to know about launching with PPC only. So what we have been seeing for a lot of products that we launched in this way is that within the first few weeks, we literally see our organic rank for all these keywords that we target actually goes up, right? So so like example, for this one of the products, the other products that we launched just 2 months ago, we literally week 8, we already have about close to 1,000 plus organic keywords that have been indexed, and our organic rank is quite healthy, right? We have been doing PPC for quite some time, and we have been optimizing it on a weekly basis to get a pretty healthy mix of keywords right here, right, all the way. Okay, so just keep churning. PPC is an art and a science on its own, and if you're able to target those keywords properly, you'll be able to rank for quite powerful keywords like this. This is a 28,000 search volume per month keyword. I'm ranked 33 here according to Helium 10. So let's check it on Amazon. No, actually I'm ranked number 1 right here, right? So I guess Helium 10 hasn't had his time to update this keyword yet. So I'm ranked number 1 already for a keyword like this that is 28,000 search volume a month, which is very powerful stuff, right? So just keep working at your PPC, and it's all about the keywords. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.